What's up, YouTube people? This your boy Cooking KD. Thanks for tuning in. Today I got a banger for you. I'm bringing in some Indian style Matar Paneer sauce served with chicken, okay? Now, Paneer is an Indian cheese that they usually put in this sauce. Today, like I said, I'm using chicken, okay? This is a supreme, excellent sauce that you want to try. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show you what's popping. You see all my ingredients right here. I'm going through them, okay? Now I got my fresh garlic, my ginger, Kaffir leaf, my cinnamon stick. Okay, I got my ghee. All right, and over here we have our cumin seeds. And last, we have our Panch puran, okay? A mixture of fenugreek seeds, nigella seeds, cumin seeds, black mustard seeds, and fennel seeds. That's what we got popping. Alright, now just to let you know, folks, Indian food is one of my favorite cuisines. Like when I go out and eat Indian food, you know, I love it. So this right here is one of my favorite dishes, and it's nothing like being able to come home and emulate one of your favorite dishes that you eat out at a restaurant, or even better. Okay, so pay attention. I'm about to put y'all on, and right now we're just gonna season this chicken, lightly season this chicken as you see, and we're gonna set it aside to flash fry these later. Okay, now I'm starting with about 5 tablespoons of the ghee. All right, clarified butter. Now the thing about clarified butter, when you want to use that to fry or saute or do whatever, for some reason that butter does not burn. Okay, it just provides a flavor and is able to cook whatever you're cooking, you know, without burning. So we're gonna go ahead and caramelize these onions, okay? Because that's the flavor we're looking for. We want to caramelize these onions, constantly work it around in the pot, all right, to get them dark. All right, so now we're gonna multitask and hop over here, and we're gonna get this saute pan here heated up, and we're gonna dry toast this seasoning, these seeds and the seasoning, the powders. We're gonna dry toast them. All right, we're gonna get them toasty because also that's the flavor we're looking for when we incorporate it into the sauce. Okay, that's what the Indians usually do. They activate these seasonings, toast it down. All right, intensify the flavor of it. All right, so that's what we're gonna be doing over here at the same time, watching these onions. Alright, so now we're going to pay close attention to both of these items. Alright, skipping back and forth, moving the onions around while they caramelize, flipping the pan, toasting our seasoning. Alright, so we're just going to work these as you see. Okay, flipping them, checking the onions, working them around. That's what we want. Alright, it's a nice little 10-minute process here, and we just pay attention. You know what I'm saying? We'll get through it real quick, and then boom, like as soon as you see the pan start to smoke with the dry seasoning, you want to just, you know, flip it. As soon as you see it smoking up, you know, you just go ahead and set it aside, you know, and let that chill until you're ready to put it into the sauce. So that's what I'm doing, ladies and gentlemen. Just pay attention. All right, and this is what you do. All right, so boom. All right, I got that set aside. We're gonna hop back over here to these onions and keep working them. All right, as you see, some of them, the edges are getting real dark. All right, that's what you want, and you want to constantly keep working it around. All right, now if your onions are cut precise and at the same size, then they all will brown at the same time. But unfortunately, I didn't cut mine the same size, so I have a couple big ones, a couple small ones. So the small ones are gonna, of course, burn faster than the bigger ones, but just keep working it around, and eventually all of them will get dark. So you know, just remember, this is the flavor profile that you want in your sauce. So you do want to caramelize these onions, because when you blend all these ingredients up, you know, that's when everything comes together. Now we're just gonna add the ginger and garlic, keep working it around. All right, let everything incorporate, come together, darken together. All right, so I just threw the peppers in. Now we're gonna go in with the tomatoes. All right, we're gonna work these around. We're gonna let these ingredients marry each other. All right, and do what they do. All Alright, cashews are in. Okay, we working these. Okay, so just keep working it. Let these ingredients cook down. Let the tomatoes break down. Alright, just be patient. Alright, and just keep letting this thing work. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and add our cardamom pods. Okay, put these in, work it around. All this is gonna get blended up into our sauce. Alright, and just give supreme flavor. So we got our dry ingredients right here. We're about to bless this sauce with. Alright, so we toasted these earlier. We're gonna go ahead and toss this in. Alright, work it around in the sauce. It's gonna darken it, bring some life to the sauce. Alright. Keep working it around, let it come together. Alright, let it darken, let it just, reduce together, okay? So just let it work, keep working it around, be patient. And when this is done, we're just gonna go ahead and transfer this to another bowl, let it cool for a little bit, okay, and then we're gonna go ahead and throw this into our blender, okay, after we get into this chicken, okay. So just pay attention, folks, we're almost there. Now we're just gonna flash fry this chicken real quick, okay. Now we season this chicken. Why? Because when this gets coated by the sauce, when you bite into the chicken, the first flavor you're gonna get is that seasoned chicken. Then you're gonna go into the flavor of the sauce. All right, so that's the key. All right, so boom, we're gonna flash fry these. You just wanna fry them real quick, leaving the middle still raw. Okay, so when we throw this in the sauce and it cooks, the chicken will be nice and tender. All right. All right, now it's time to blend the sauce up. All right, bring this thing together. Okay, so make sure you have a cup of water ready because we do want to stretch the sauce. Alright, this blender right here, it'll freeze up because the ingredients are so thick, but if you have one of them powerful blenders, it'll grind everything up real smooth, but you still might want to add some water to stretch your sauce a little bit. Alright, after your sauce is smooth, go ahead and transfer it back to the original pot. Add these ingredients, okay, and then let it simmer. And come back to it in about 5 minutes. Now my pot been simmering about 10 minutes, okay? This is what you get, alright? You're gonna see the stuff breaking down, alright? And then we're gonna just go ahead and add the cream and work it into the sauce. Let's give this a stir a little bit, okay? You see my cinnamon stick in there, alright? Releasing some flavor. I got my Kaffir lime leaf, alright? I'm gonna work that butter and give the sauce a stir. So let's now incorporate our cream. All right, smoothing this sauce out a bit. All right, bring this thing together. Okay, and then we're gonna transfer it to another pot. Now this is a good amount of sauce here. So what we're gonna do, of course, you can put some of this sauce up, all right, and freeze it. Whoop it back out another week from now. All right, melt it down, incorporate whatever meat you want with it, and it'll be just fine. Now we're gonna transfer some sauce into this pot right here. We're gonna add our chicken. We're gonna add our sweet peas, which they always originally put in this dish, okay? And we're gonna let it simmer another 5-10 minutes to just finish cooking this chicken off, okay? So after it been simmering, this is what we got, folks, all right? We got Matar Paneer sauce with chicken, okay? Look at this, baby. Oh man, this is gonna be scrumptious. I'm gonna serve this on some basmati rice, okay? Some fresh steamed broccoli and cauliflower on the side, okay? And jump right into this tonight. Like, this is my dinner tonight. This is what I'm eating, all right? We always enjoy this when I make it. And let me tell you, people, like, this is the dish. Indian food is the shiznit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I just want to thank you for watching, tuning in. Alright, I'm going to drop the recipe in the description box below. And folks, I just thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Hope you enjoy this. Always remember, you got to eat to live, or cook to eat to live. And always give thanks. Peace. And don't forget to like, drop a comment, click on my picture, subscribe, Alright, I appreciate y'all.